support. So guys, how do you like your dance? This evening we have 4 more dance like this type of thing. And 3 song performance right here. Are you ready for it? Before moving to our next performance, we'd like to know what is the cultural tradition behind this Dasai. For that, I'd like to welcome Mr. Badri Burathoki. Please give him a big hand.
Stage PC, please. Namaste, everybody, and good evening. I am Badri Burathoki, and on behalf of MEM Chautari Club, I'm going to present you our greatest celebration that's about Dasai. Dasai is the biggest and very important festival for all the Nepalese. Are you hearing the audio? Well, from the music, from the... As I was saying, it's a very important and very greatest festival for all the Nepalese. This celebration is called in many different ways. It's also called as Victory Day, Durga Puja, Dasai, Dasara, many different ways. What this celebration means to all the Nepalese. This being a celebration, of course, first thing you'll think is about holidays, a vacation. Family get-togetherness, gathering, lovely dishes, food, the food that you enjoyed at Vishwa Shanti Cafe is just a part of it, and lots of other fun and entertainment events. Days in Dasai, we celebrate this event for 15 continuous days. Let me tell you, this is the longest festival that we celebrate in Nepal. We have 15 days of vacation. Actually, it will be more. For 15 continuous days, we celebrate this event. The 10th day being the main day. On this day, Goddess Durga, it's believed that Goddess Durga conquered our devils. So, this event is significant. This day is significant in the sense that worshipping Goddess Durga and getting blessings from seniors member of the family will help us, will allow to remove all our past stresses, release our stresses, remove or wipe out our sins, and get positive energy to do our regular jobs. The first day, that's called Ghatastapana Day. On this day, we put barley seeds in the holy room, that's puja room we call. We sprinkle the barley seeds over the fertile soil in the puja room. And these seeds, barley seeds, grows into seedlings we call barley sprouts, we call as jamara, as you can see here. This is called jamara. We make use of this jamara on the 10th day, the victory day. From 2nd to 6th day is the family gathering. I mean, throughout the event, the gathering occurs, but specifically 2nd to 6th day, people, family members from within or abroad get together. We have many of our Nepalese people going back to Nepal for celebrating. This time, this event has fallen on October 17th. We are celebrating here a little earlier as our very energetic group there. They are leaving very soon for the job search, so we had to prepone a little bit and celebrate with you guys here. The 7th day is called the Fulpati Day. On this day, we bring, since it is national celebration, the jamara that is brought from Gorkha. Gorkha is another historic place in Nepal. It's considered, bringing Jamra from that place is considered to be very auspicious. And we bring Jamra. This is for the National Army purpose. They bring the Jamra from there, Gorkha. This is Tika and Jamra. Jamra is that what you have just seen now. And Tika is rice and we call it avir. I'm not sure in English, but avir and rice thing we mix and prepare Tika. This you are seeing on the 10th day, the victory day, the senior-most family member puts Tika and Jamra on every junior member in the family and gives blessings. So this is one of the familiar face among the audience here. Dasai events, we perform lots of fun and entertainment events on this occasion. There you are seeing is traditional bamboo swing. The other fun and entertainment event is playing cards. In this celebration, gambling is legal. You know, no police officers will be behind you. Any forms of casino games, play cards, dice, anything, any forms, it's legal. No one will be after you. In fact, they play 24 hours, you know. The food is ready by just, next to them. They keep on eating and keep on playing. I have a record of playing 16 hours. Another fun and entertainment event here, kite flying. As you enter the Dolby Hall Argiro lobby, you see all the kites. I hope you are familiar with it. And this is another interesting event we perform in this celebration. Cooking. Wow, this is what we miss at MEM. Thinking, just the thinking of it brings water in our mouth, you know. Hope someday MEM will provide some special day, some meat item to us. Here you see family enjoying the delicious cuisine there, Dasai cuisine. This is another familiar face you'll see among the audience here. In fact, let me tell me his name. He's Mani Dungana. He's very lovable to us. He's very respectful person in this community. He has been staying here for almost a decade now, and he helps, even for this event, he has tremendous input for organizing this event. Thank you, Manidai. And this is the family, his family enjoying the Dasai there. They're in good mood, right? Well, that's 10th day. After the Tika day, it's again that from 10th day to 15th day, we visit our relatives, other members of the family, other families close to our family, and we get blessings from them. After the 15th day, it's almost the Dasai is over, and with the blessings from Ganesh Durga, blessings from our senior members of the family, we get all this positive energy and reset back to normal life to carry out our regular duties. Thank you for attending this wonderful celebration. Thank you. Namaste.